techie, well settled in his current job, but also little confused what he should learn new in this age of technology and data. He hears a lot of things these days, like artificial intelligence, data science, Hadoop, Hive. He realizes he will have to make this decision quickly, but not sure what he should do and from where to start. John goes to meet his friends Mary and Jack and finds them discussing about something very seriously. "Hey Mary and Jack, what are you discussing about?" "Hey John, we are discussing about data science." "You know about data science?" "I have heard about it. Why data science suddenly today?" "Because the world needs data science." Mary's response makes John furious to know more about data science, and he decides to dig deeper into it. John reaches home, and first thing he does is to find out answers about two important questions: what is data science and why data science? He finds the answer about what is data science. Data science is a mixture of tools, techniques, algorithms, and machine learning principles used to discover the insights from the raw data. Data science is also used to make decisions, predictions, using predictive analysis, prescriptive analysis, and machine learning. He gets excited and now wonders why we need data science now. He gets that answer also. Earlier, the data used to be mostly structured and small in size, which could be analyzed by using simple BI tools. Unlike earlier, today most of the data is unstructured or semi-structured. Simple BI tools are not capable enough of processing this huge volume. This is why need for more complex and advanced analytical tools and algorithms for processing and analyzing data. He now understood why Mary said world needs data scientists. Now he decides to learn data science, but not sure where to start from. First thing John wanted to know is what are the tools, techniques, languages needs to learn in data science. The tools, techniques needed to learn data science are basic Python, statistics, advanced analysis, data modeling, predictive modeling, Tableau, SQL, optimization techniques, time series forecast. Quite a lot to learn, but it will be exciting. I now know what is data science, but then how it is different from data analysis. Data scientists are responsible for designing new processes for data modeling using prototypes, algorithms, and models. Skills includes machine learning, data mining, data warehouse, data analysis. Data scientists are responsible for processing, cleansing, and verifying the integrity of data. They also do exploratory data analysis to gain business insights using machine learning techniques and algorithms, identifying new trends in data to make predictions for the future. Whereas data analysts examine large data sets to identify trends, develop charts, and create visual presentations. Top data analyst skills include data mining, data warehouse, SQL, statistical analysis, BI tools, etc. Data analysts are often responsible for exploratory data analysis, data cleansing, discover new patterns using various statistical tools, and also develop visualizations. Wow, that is impressive. Now I will start my journey towards data science. But I saw something called predictive, prescriptive, and descriptive analysis. What is that? Descriptive analytics is to get insights into past outcomes. It describes or summarizes historical data. It enables organizations to learn from past behaviors and understand how they might influence future outcomes. What it doesn't do, though, is tell us directly what we need to do to reduce the chance of what happened. Predictive analytics is to get insights into future outcomes. Predictive analytics has its own roots in the ability to predict what might happen in future based on probability. It also provides estimates about the likelihood of a future outcome along with actionable insights. Whereas prescriptive analytics is to get insights into the best possible outcome. This relatively new field of analytics allows organizations to prescribe several different possible actions while guiding them towards the most ideal solution. It predicts not only what will happen but also why it will happen while providing recommendations on actions that will take advantage of the predictions. Now I am ready and excited to start my journey towards data science. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and liked it. I hope you will join me in this journey towards data science. We will start with basics of Python. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can meet me regularly. Till then, goodbye, stay safe, stay healthy. This is John signing off.